Shopping is something that most people do every week. We buy food, clothes, and many other things that we need for our daily lives. Today, people can shop in two different ways: in a physical store or online. In a physical store, you can see and touch the products before you buy them. You walk around the store, put the items you want in a cart or a basket, and then pay at the cashier. You can pay with cash or with a credit or debit card. Many people enjoy shopping in stores because they can try on clothes and compare products easily. Online shopping has become very popular in recent years. You can buy almost anything from your phone or computer without leaving your home. The products are delivered to your door, usually in a few days. However, you cannot touch or try the products before buying them, and sometimes you have to wait a long time for delivery. Managing your money is very important. It is a good idea to make a budget before you go shopping. A budget helps you control how much you spend and avoid buying things you don't really need. Many people spend too much money on things they want but don't need, and then they have problems paying their bills at the end of the month.